Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use LLMs like large language models on your computer locally. It's free one using free models in order to try chatbots, strong generation for text, images and so on, and you want just to try new techniques. All what you need to do is just press Olama download and then go for the first link, go for download for Windows and just wait for this software to just undownloading. So after the installation is opened, all what you need to do is pop-up need just to get the install, and you need to wait for it, extracting files from it, and I will back to you guys after the installation phase. So guys, after the installation of Olama, you will have this program interface. Just make sure here like you have this expanded, and then here is the models that you can use on your local, and you can of course you can add another local models to use it and so on. So you can go for settings and please here expose Olama to the network, so to bring more models and to explore more models and so on. And for model location you can change it as you want here. And for context length, the more that you are making it, the more it will consume your resources. So that's the main case of it. And here if I will go for simple messages, I will say hello, it will just download the first model that is not to be on your project, so on. So you just wait for model to download it as your program supporting those models. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.